Alright, if you guys have been to the Vic and Vance casino down at Prim, you guys would maybe know that Vic and Vance's gun is missing. One way to get the gun is you gotta come like up here. It's close to that. And then all you do is go and look for shacks like these. There's only gonna be one. You might want to take what they have in the mailbox, just in case you like need something. You're gonna talk to this guy.
Printman, what are you doing here, stranger?
You say, you sound pretty tough. What's your plan? And then you like stop talking to her. I mean him. And you talk to the girl.
You best not try any funny.
She looks black, not to be racist.
I'm Pauline. Wait, never.
She's pretty tough. What's your plan? You can get yourself killed. And then you go to speech 55. You need 55 speech. That's the greatest plan I ever heard in your
Really?
life. And you tell her see you later.
This better be good, stranger.
Back to the guy. You say, Pauline says you should give me the gun. He actually like just straight up gives it to you. Doesn't really give a fuck about the gun. You go up to this safe right here. You can take that mostly wherever you want from here. Don't take too much or else you get shot. But there you go. And then you go to your stuff like this. You got your Vance 9mm submachine gun. And this gun is fully tricked out. It has recoil, it has the drum barrel,